leading green building material factory was established in 2021, covering an area of 130,000 square meters, relying on new energy saving and new materials. The core products are the calcium silicate board for decoration wall. The painting workshop contains 4 of the most advanced coating production lines in China, delivered by Richfruits Finishing. At the same time, it integrates the whole factory with central dust removal system, exhausted air treatment system, compressed air system, and pipeline system. The factory is equipped with Richfruits Intelligent Control System for Industry 4.0, can track real-time production data to realize one cloud, one network, controlling one factory. The 4 production lines produce 4 different types of calcium silicate boards, covers the application on internal and external walls. The factory has an annual output of 1.2 million square meters, create benefits exceeding 300 million RMB. The capacity of this line is 5,000 square meters, 8H. The line adopts U-shaped rotary arrangement. On the left is the UV primer roller coating production line. On the right is the UV transfer, UV solid color super matte coating line. The first process is robot loading. Automatically transport calcium silicate boards onto the line. Then, the dust on the board surface is removed by a dust remover. Then go to the back coater to coat the back side, to achieve moisture-proof sealing and tension balance. After that, enter the UV roller coating, with dual curing UV coating. Coating volume ranges from 80 to 200 grams per square meter. To enhance the adhesion, after semi-curing coating UV putty or primer, to fill the pinholes and sand marks on the board surface. After curing, sand it with the primer sander. Now, the pre-treatment process is completed. Robot unloading at the U-shaped turn. 2 lines can be separate operating, or connected into one line. The next process is UV transfer and top coat, with transfer printing machine, roller coating, and curtain coating, as well as excimer equipment. Different combinations can be selected to make 3 products: UV transfer, UV solid color, and super matte, with nearly 100 types of surface effects. UV transfer printing by cold transfer process, equipped with LED UV light with continuous adjustment from 0 to 100%, especially suitable for low-cost PVC film. The curtain coater is equipped with independent shower head. Avoid the vibration of the machine body during high-speed operation, thus making the curtain thin and uniform. The 400-liter multi-layer oil tank not only avoids the generation of bubbles, but also defoams faster. The excimer machine is equipped with a mixed light source of 185 nanometers and 254 nanometers. Without nitrogen protection, produce micron-level, uniform wrinkles on the paint film surface, thus forming a super matte finish. And the paint surface can achieve 4H hardness. After the top coat, a protective film is pasted. Then the boards are face-to-face by the flipping machine, stacked together by robots. The whole line adopts U-shaped layout, which saves space. Only 1 worker is needed to take care of 1 production line. Exterior wall decoration board, spray coating line. This is the coating line for stone textured paint, colorful granite texture for exterior wall. This line consists of intermediate coating, stone textured paint, spraying, and roller coating finish, and 5 vertical drying ovens. The intermediate coating is water-based paint applied by roller coating, coating the board with a base color, avoid color difference, and improve the paint adhesion. Then, it is semi-dried through a high-speed hot air drying tunnel. The temperature of the hot air is set to 80 degrees centigrade. The wind speed is 8 meters per second, using strong wind to quickly take away the water. Sprayer for stone, texture paint, equipped with paint supply, pump, and 4 spray guns. The multiple sets of spray guns can improve production efficiency. Paint is recovered and recycled. The reciprocating frame is controlled by a servo motor with independent control. The spraying volume is precise and uniform. After spraying, enter the vertical drying oven with 20 minutes of high-speed hot air drying. After coming out, enter the spraying section. The use of vertical drying oven has 3 advantages: save space, energy save, little temperature difference. The drying oven uses the steamer fuel, hot air circulation exchange to maximize thermal energy. Compared with folding drying, it reduces energy consumption by more than 30%. The vertical drying oven can be adjusted according to needs, with drying times of 20 minutes, 2 hours to 4 hours. Work pieces are feed in horizontally. Avoid the sagging when the paint volume is big, compared with folding drying. Reduces the conversion action of the board. The defect rate will naturally decrease. After drying, enter the finish roller coating process. Apply paint on surface through sponge roller coating. Then enter the vertical drying oven for complete drying. Defects will be selected manually and removed from the production line. Qualified products flow into the next process. Paste the protective film and stacked by robots. Laminating and wrapping line. This line is a mixed production line for laminating and wrapping. Due to the uncertainty of incoming orders, it will reduce the repeated investment of equipment. Choosing such a line can not only solve laminating products, but also solve wrapping products. It consists of robot loading, double-sided dust removal, preheating, gluing, taking into account sheet feeding, integrating, laminating, and wrapping. Composed of wrapping pressure wheel, bevel cutting, and robot automatic loading. Enter the dust removal system after loading. Adopt horizontal brush with high-pressure dust blowing. Clean the dust on surface. Then, enter the preheating section. Since cold weather affects the activity of the glue, will lead to poor adhesion or foaming. Then, gluing with per glue in sole system. Ceramic leveling roller. Make the glue more uniform. After gluing, keep the glue surface heated. This station is also equipped with sheet stacking and feeding system, suitable for flat sheets such as CPL, acrylic, HPL, and veneer. This section is a laminating and wrapping machine. Mixed use of lamination and wrapping. The purpose is to be compatible with the wrapping effect. Make the wrapped board surface flat. Multi-angle wrapping wheel can wrap in the order from surface to edge to bottom to form an integrated edge and surface. After wrapping, cut the film with a bevel knife. Robot automatic unloading. Automatically move board out of the production line. Integrated board. Automatic compound line. This line can handle rigid thermal insulation materials such as XPS, EPS, polyurethane, foamed ceramics, foamed glass for compounding. It can also handle soft thermal insulation materials, like rock wool and glass fiber cotton for compounding. This is the automatic composite production line. The production line is equipped with 3 feeding sections. The first section is for automatic feeding of bottom plates. The second section is for feeding of soft thermal insulation materials. The third section is for automatic feeding of top panels. The line applies glue after feeding the bottom board, then automatically tile the soft thermal insulation material. Then enter the next gluing machine for gluing the surface of the thermal insulation material. Then turn over the board and tile the painted decorative panel with glue on the back. The composite process is automatically completed, then lifted and stacked on the ground by robots. Automatically moved to the shuttle car and allocated to each press. Carry out pressure holding for 3 to 4 hours. After that, the shuttle car is automatically allocated to move out of the line. Richfruits with more than 22 years of finishing experience, through customization plus digitalization plus service, deliver you a dream factory.